friends, how are we doing today? As of yesterday, our good friend Lori Vallow has now decided to file for another bond reduction. She just can't stand sitting in there, and I just don't feel sorry for her. So let's go over what Mr. Means has filed and see what they're pulling this time. Before we get started, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it is great to meet you. I definitely invite you to hit that subscribe button and join this community and follow this case along with us. It's really awesome here, and I would love for you to be part of it. That being said, let's go ahead and see what Lori and Mr. Means are up to. So this was filed just yesterday. It's a really short document. Let's go over real quick. Comes now the defendant, Mrs. Lori Vallow. In quotation marks, there's Daybell because her legal name is still Mrs. Lori Vallow. So Lori Daybell is in fact an alias. By and through her attorney of record, Mark L. Means of Means Law and Mediation, and hereby move this court pursuant to Idaho Title 19, Criminal Procedure, Chapter 29, Idaho Bail Act, and then it lists all the statutes, Idaho Criminal Rule 46, and relevant Idaho case law precedent for a reduction in bond. Defendant, by and through her attorney of record, asserts new facts have come to light to support this motion since the previous motion bond hearing. The defendant respectfully requests oral argument on this motion before Honorable Judge Mallard, that I certify or declare under penalty of perjury pursuant to the law of the state of Idaho the foregoing is true and correct. And page 2 is just him signing it and certifying that it was sent in yesterday, March 24th of 2020. Now, aside from her presenting JJ and Tylee, I cannot understand what new information that could come to light that would allow her to have a bond reduction. In my opinion, there's simply nothing else that is going to work in her favor unless she produces those children. We'll have to wait and see if Judge Mallard is even interested in taking this to oral argument, because she might just say, no, not going to have it. Now, if she does take it to oral argument, here's the issue they're going to face. Right now, with everything that's going on in the world and everything essentially being shut down, Idaho has put forth some rules that basically say, we might not see you for a hot minute. Now, according to this amended order put forth by the Idaho Supreme Court, as of today, Wednesday, March 25th, this is the order put down by the court. The part of the order that applies to Lori is number 2. All civil trials, hearings, and motions should be postponed and rescheduled for a later date unless the assigned judge finds the proceedings can be held and adequately recorded through telephonic or video means and placed into the official court record. Any civil trial or hearing currently in progress shall be continued or completed at the discretion of the presiding judge. So if in fact Mallard wants to go ahead and actually take this motion to oral arguments, which is just like what we saw before on March 6th, this time we would see Mr. Means and Mr. Wood kind of go at it. Mallard has the option to take this to what we saw when they decided to dismiss Judge Edens from the case, where it was just a video thing or a telephone thing. Now, will she go that route? I don't know. Does she want to walk into a building that would possibly contaminate her? I know I wouldn't want to. Until further notice, Idaho courts aren't operating at full steam. So Lori might still have to wait a hot minute before anybody even looks at this motion that Means filed yesterday. And as far as I'm concerned, any sort of new facts that they're considering presenting to the court, like I said, with the exception of bringing JJ and Tylee forward safe and sound, I don't think she has a leg to stand on. I would love to know your guys' thoughts. Please drop a comment down below. This should be a very interesting conversation. And we can't say that we're surprised, because we really thought that once they dismissed Edens, they were going to go hard for this. And what we've heard about Mallard is that she doesn't play any games. She's not into this back and forth crap. So I don't even know that I think she's going to allow oral arguments in this. She might just flat out deny it from the get-go. We'll just have to wait and see. I hope that you guys are safe and sound and happy and healthy wherever this video finds you. Here at the Rainy Ranch, we are adjusting to our new normal. I know I've been MIA for about a week, but things are shutting down left and right around here, and we're trying to figure out a whole bunch of things. So we are officially on lockdown. Don't plan on leaving the house anytime soon, because here in St. Louis, things are really starting to heat up. And I have a 15-year-old son with asthma, and I cannot risk exposing him to anything. It's it would be horrible, and I don't even want to think about it. So again, wherever this video finds you, please tell me you're taking care of yourselves. Let me know down below how you're passing the time. We have to take care of each other during this bizarre situation the entire world finds itself in. And I just would love to know that all of you guys are safe and sound. You guys have a great day. We will talk very soon, because I am secretly trying to avoid my husband, who is here against his will. So I will be down here doing a bunch of stuff. We're going to hang out a lot. You guys have a great day. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.